So, solving the second layer, the edge pieces. Here, first, spin your cube. See if it has two colors, no yellow, orange, green. These edge pieces touch it. So here, no yellow, these edge pieces. Move on to the color that matches. So this one is orange, right? This one is orange. So we need to turn here to here. Follow the algorithm. And so we need to follow the algorithm, right? We need to follow the left algorithm. First, up to the not matching color, and then left, up, left, up, face, and then up. So here, matching color, right? Here is the orange, and here is the white face. So here you will see it matches. Again, up, left, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, face counterclockwise, up and face. So here it matches. So you do the right algorithm. So doing the right algorithm, you need to remember it first. You need to move to the not matching color. So you see, it matches. And here is the right algorithm. Up, right, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, face counterclockwise, up and face. So do it again and make yourself comfortable. And when you finished, your Rubik's Cube will look like this. The second layer have solved it with the color matching. So move on to the third layer.